In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove an admin team member from Wrike. First, make sure you're already logged into your Wrike account and that you have the proper permissions to remove an admin. Typically, you'll need to be an account owner or have full administrative rights. If you're not sure, you might want to double-check with whoever manages your Wrike account, because without the right access, you won't be able to complete this process. Once you're in Wrike, start by navigating to your campaign management area or the specific space or folder where your team and permissions are managed. In this example, we're going into the campaign management section of Wrike. From your main workspace, use the left-hand navigation panel to find the relevant space, then click into the folder or project that holds the settings for your team or campaign. After you've opened that area, look toward the top of the screen for the section that controls the setup of this campaign or team. You'll see an area that's highlighted in the original guide. This is usually where you can manage who has access and what roles they have. Go ahead and click on that highlighted section. This will open up the configuration or sharing settings, where you can see a list of team members and their current roles, including who is marked as an admin. In the list of users, find the admin team member you want to remove. Here's where you'll be careful. Removing an admin means they will lose their elevated permissions for this campaign or space, and possibly their access entirely, depending on how your account is structured. Make sure you've selected the correct person before making any changes. Once you've located the correct admin, click to adjust their permissions. In many setups, you can either change their role to a lower level, like a regular user or collaborator, or you can remove them from the campaign or space altogether. Choose the appropriate option based on what you want, either fully removing them or just taking away their admin rights. After you've made the change, look for the Save button. This is crucial. The guide specifically notes that after deleting, you need to press Save. If you close the window or navigate away without saving, your changes won't apply and the admin will still have their previous access. Once you hit Save, your update is complete. The admin team member will now be removed or downgraded, and your Wrike campaign management space will reflect that new permission setup.